In this video, I'm going to show you how I turned this into this in a matter of a few days. Next, let's talk about the tools and cleaning materials that I used to prepare this patio for the resurfacing material. I'm going to show you guys what I'm using for this project, and I'm going to try to get all the information into this one shot here. But this is Dura Top Concrete Resurfacer Heavy, and the recommended uses are pool decks, driveways, patios, almost anywhere where there's going to be heavy traffic. This is the color that we selected. This is Siberian Haze, and this is a small pack. This is not very large here, but it takes one of these to one of these 50-pound bags here. So what I did and what the instructions call for is that you put in your 4 quarts of water. It takes 5 quarts, but put in 4 quarts of water into a container, and then add this Siberian Haze and use your drill mixer to mix it thoroughly, and then add your mix here. And I did half a bag and then another half bag, because the half bag is just that much more manageable for the drill. This is the squeegee that I used to apply the resurfacing material. As you can see, it just attaches to any telescopic pole. And what I did for mine, not only did I screw it in, but I also used painter's tape just to reinforce the connection. This is the muriatic acid that I used to clean this surface. I used the muriatic acid, and I used a pressure washer also. But one thing about the muriatic acid, you need to be careful. Per the instructions, always add muriatic acid to water. Never the reverse. Never add water to muriatic acid. I'm not quite certain why that's the case, but that's what the instructions say. Also, very important, you need to wear clothing that covers all your skin. That is a good idea. I would wear eye protection that fits securely to your face. Glasses won't do it, because splatters can still get to your eye. This is the crack filler that I used to fill the cracks. And as you're going to see later in the video, this was a mistake. This stuff is not compatible with this resurfacing mix that I use. So you're going to see later on that I put it down, but I had to remove it later. Just to recap what I've done today, I pulled back the edges here, the grass and the soil, so that I could put the resurfacing material down. I did that on all sides, so I'm good there. I patched the hairline cracks in the concrete. I have thoroughly cleaned the surface of this patio, and I use muriatic acid primarily to do that. I did spray wash it about 2 weeks ago, so it's still in really good shape. But I think I'm ready to go. We will see. If it's not windy tomorrow, I think I'm going to give it a shot tomorrow. And I bought 2 bags of resurfacing material today. I'm not quite certain if that's going to be enough. Here's the concrete patio. This is the first day, by the way. And guess what's missing? Yeah, the crack filler that I put down earlier today. I had to take it up. After I put it down, hey guys, this is learning a lesson the hard way. But after I put it down, I got to thinking, is this stuff going to be compatible with the resurfaced material? And so what I did is I called the DAP customer service line, and they told me, no, it will not be compatible. But and she asked, she said, how long has it been down? I said, about 4 hours. She said, well, this is good news. Our material is water soluble, so if you get out there now, you can still get it up because it hasn't had time to cure. So I got out here this afternoon, and took me a little over an hour, but I got it all up, and I was able to power wash the slab at the same time. So I killed two birds with one stone. This is where I'm at so far. I've added the color pigment to the container. I've mixed it up, and I've added 4 quarts of water. I got to add 5. Here's the additional 1 quart. And this is the Pro Mix, and this is where I'm going to place it. It's all ready to go. It's nice and clean. It's dry. And so I just need to mix it up and get started. Now what I'm going to do is pour this in slowly, mix it, and then, but I'm going to do the entire 50-pound bag. This is just not as easy as it looks. It's quite an ordeal. It takes a lot of effort. Let me pour the rest of the water in, and that should be it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to dampen this area just a little bit as it calls for, and then I'm going to get started. Okay. Okay, here we go. What do you think of this color, Jenny?
I like it. I'll tell you what again, I'm going to get the main section, and then I'll come back and cut in. What do you think? They said it's supposed to be a 1/16 of an inch. I just got off the phone with Dura, and my question was, how long do I have to wait before I can add the clear coat sealer? There was nothing in the instructions to tell you how long that you had to wait. The answer, 72 hours. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this with tarps because we have Hurricane Ian that's going to move in. The rain's going to move in tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. And the rain's going to move in, so I don't want rain hitting this. I want this to cure nice and slowly. So I'm going to cover it today, and then once Ian moves out of here, which is supposed to be Monday or Tuesday, I will pull the tarps back, I will clean it, and then I will add the clear coat. With Gracie in the background, let me show you the clear coat that I'm going to be using for this project. And this is what was recommended in the instructions. So this is Clear Shield, and as I said before, I just got off the phone with Dura, and the customer service rep indicated that I should wait 72 hours before applying this. This was a very manageable project. I will have to say the most difficult part of it was the research. I researched this for about a month and a half to 2 months. I watched a ton of YouTube videos. I didn't want to mess this up. This is a large part of our home, and I didn't want to select a material that was not going to be right for this application. I'm just hoping that what I put down lives up to expectations. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this rest for 72 hours. Then I'm going to add the clear coat per instructions from Dura. I hope this is something that you will consider. If you do, leave some comments below and let us know how it went. If you have questions, please ask them. Subscribe to the channel, and good luck. I hope it goes well.